Yidin.
Yes, by
Matisse and Crawford ever to Kwan and say, Omoko Mumabium.
Crawford to Kwan.
Or I fail or move to Kwan.
No more common
or Mumabium. Jete Muda. What do you want to Mudano? Just our bands, and so Maba. Na ya mo save Jenny.
But you so why would him say? Who can have another demo? It's you may share discussion as in time not for yet media no. Yeah, for the Henness as
yeah, or introduce Nana, or introduce another.
Hey, my boy, everybody.
Is that?
My boy,
ah, you fro.
Oh,
Mrs. Yabema head and obey.
Obaya.
Or here, Obaya, a child.
Muntu no funzo se aware enye adwama no aduru mabema
asem we obeka okoso odem so ba because to asem obeka ya no
aware enye den
adwama no aduru mabema
Obaya efe wo
we se be kama memba nyina
fa won ko aka wasem
wo show and no one knew before. Yeah. My main shot here with Ofurata and immigration, you know, tell and say about one to me. And somewhere yet na US court say Ofurata Semono, OSP Semono, and Ninja so, I did a kaika Hunyanano. Media. Nina yetro. Ni edi kan. Oforiata court na wokoye no. Wanko on extradition. Woko court se wakakotena US ache ama ne visa awu. Ache se wanya immigration issues. Eno hu court no ye den wokoye. Now, immigration issues a wokoye de eye den na kan say extradition ayi e baba mi fam. Na captain wonim ne ete. Judge na whatna case in so no. Sa oye Oforiata classmate. Ewo Yale University. The classmate o. Nti am say what here no mo kokodi ngomo. Ati the ruling no mo no. That say odi we be shame just to paint him white. But sir, you know, I don't know ho. Extradition da yidankasa no. Afa no and no US court betna so. So on yet no. Et immigration there no kai na mafo security na yes say ni ne kai ka no. Mumongu. Na etoda NPP for no bi ho. Emrantie ne maba wani bi ho no mo a. Aya no mo ho ya misre. Aya no mo ho ya misre. Chese you suffer to eat. Your kids they suffer. Wono ne ma kokwe school moko. Ne me akwadwunso grade ne traka kamu. Ne adina akwadwunso. Wozo so ti wei uni kapre. Na uti hodum na uye didi. But ne me pesa me assure Ghana fo nyina say Ken Oforiata will be pursued. In September I will be in US. And I'm going to organize a very big picketing. Our home affairs, Homeland Security for no, our head office. Yes, I did. Very big one. We'll get it a big practice. We want to Oforiata back home. Yantiasie. What do you say? Donald Trump the program biaba. We are home. Now, ultimately the $5 million Euro America, so be invest here straight away. Your mouth, you can say permanent resident. Timuda Monteto, your sister say Sika Kwako Guabruchi, your DJ residency. Namo Moti I say. Sasabui, Minia, Ushe Ghana ha, your insurance, Nina Kudini Pabaku. Ye ji loans e kokofa nipa baako ho ye yesei nipa baako asisa sika ni nyina e de akoko America wote Ghana has a wo sofa eti honum eti akire kate nyame adom yanso kate say visa sin enya bio America for 5 years a fourth time ni me kwa that I'm say 2015 I'm go di 5 months me kwa America ni more than 1 month that baba all the continent me who continent am nko so tase eni bi musa me nko tra brochire sebom dachi bi mi ba be wi aga na scan madwana kwa tra brochire de on de binya hu ye so on the tie no eti mesre Ghana for bia nya reshehu mo bia nya na dwe look omo sorry ora is dead sia ora gu ni ne gaga omo ti bi ga bi fair shot da ba no fair shot anabana na the way a niama se ko no omo behu omo ni so eti we do for rata de ne I want to assure Ghana for say the multitude wa yinum no enye no kre enye extradition case na kra
senior ya fa won tumi shase announce wo bibia
because babana sina enchia arefo ne atefo nyina na last week we invited ma ya bajina mu ma driver for me there no problem pa so me come nshia say na obekọ America no come nshia akobo na na amane so kwan bia yenso ye befa so a ye betwe wa ba santima mu no ye do beba because me bedu ukrum ho mate say onye word no obi aje so ya ye word o na me say me de ne kwa enye na nyame nshira wo ewo adwuma pa o ye de aboa o constituency mimi ya kodu ho no mehu ade bi mimi du ho fiada meda
mimi da
ono adwuma ne dia no no du ho mimi da ba mimi ko fiada ye kodu do rampo na ye ko dintra e ko o ma hye spiners omu ye yi wa ha no mo so da bi Captain Smart be di dwuma bi wa ye de hia ne kwan na mo so o ma ye wa oni bi say ahemfo me kan ye na me nya du nwotwe ene be support dwuma die no
de here
ho no
share 118 edu baby na pressure bam so kroba ko na de ahemfo 18 ne bae go mo man kasim
na ode yemfa no nsiwo somebody ka aka say per picture ye ni bizo pictures be ba de wo pe no fama ye na yemfa nya de bi
mate
de ebetime de aye aboa ewo no na captain Bunu regional minister papa no nkasa but papa wo ye adwuma pejawti na ye ma wayiku mina ebi mu ye adwuma pa ayese ye bo ma baso eye honorable Joseph Adorye Akwaboa adwuma na wo ye nyina ye de ne hu sa na di minister ya minshaw o mampanyi bo na baso captain nyansan fiti ase ne nyamesuru sa na mo twe o bible mu na me hu ni se Ghana ha nyansan fiti ase se obeya amanyoni pa se ubenya gidi intentem se obedwane NDC na chese onyansan fiti ase no abam na de nti America ne sa no abai na yenti nema bi ase na waye nema bi ame hu se na adwi modo hwe bebre ho mo ko bopunum ediska ko se de ma wia no mesire mo enini o ma je faawo na afi no o ma so twen no o mo de ba ndi anya me wonwa se o se ebi mu pese o mu dwane o mo pese o mu dwane ska no dodo na no mo de akọ se ye be chimi edima ko to afiase de ma me dwane na mpacho ye papa nko ani munte
bebi wani nka beti kuransa we wie papa no yo
menya akwanya ko USA akomadan eda me free o ye wo meto ahafo adro ba krofrom captain me ma me adro nya akodokono no no awo sanka meka ho nanso me kuro yi emu ya me dedodo na me nya kromfo me dwane se dey eni tunu masa abaye o me beboa me achichire ye man na susu ampa se wo fa adi o man panyini wa be minister almost 8 years osi madwane me sikro no mu a ya wo me atwa mafuru mawom ahye manimu nya ama me mu adodo de ana pose be na chance o risk aso osi ni mabiem na wanya NPP communicators jubilate o social media say US immigration lawyer say judge actually say bibia ni ofori atamo
na US judge not to come
enti wani age ubosi meme dia be hu ni say NPP na ankasa no say e bompa ye ne nyina ye boa ne yegu no hwese wa ya chewo say sikasem bi for ho be yi ano yanga so wafo ye say be yi ano wo say mabo dede ami abebo dompi wurie ya na nam gato kwachia me pa cha ba bi owura aye no say producers no anko mu fanto afidie ne so na hwe ba bi a wo na wo free ko board dompem ewo eye yoko animo ba bi a wote na hwe dan a ye yi kire ye say nipa na ye so wawi awo no na ono so ni dan ni na wa busa wo say ukogina ho no wonim nyansa na wonim nyansa fasamfo nyini ni mienu to ho na busa oba a wuja na okogina awia mu no se me no a me kokon amade se wawia me no ha na mete de wawia me no so ni fie ni e na me kokon amade me nim nyansa na magimi na fa mfidi fonyini ni mienu kire oba na oba ni nyi ano chese wodwen ho a wonti ase ye tie ya na muka kire se ora no mfaso bi ani so bebo a e ma ye kra ye kan bi afa ya sha ase na ye busa mo ho nsem a wosi memuri amati kokum madwa enti medie mesre Ghana for say abaye otesu ye be ma na che ndi se ye be sha ase ya ka kai no o kai se o man panyini eye campaign me kai se ogina simpie su ka se oba nana bi oba hwe na asemu o man pay drum aba nana bi asem na ko say ye ana onka won hwe biem wan kana na bi asem
strategy da mo de ngambutre only I can assure you strategy da mo ngambutre
yanka ka bi ebu ana ne wura fi bi
me mo sukra ma na yedin udi yedin
yes ni yedin ti
onu kwa ne de yedin
me yedin wo
o strategy da mo
captain o kai airport se wona na wo no se wo ye bone wo anka ya nso opa echi papa ya yes wa akoto Christmas tree and all your good evening
and Chobichia good morning.
Oh no. And ye jano PDS say anche omo PDS no omo da no a captain sa one Ghana city me incite drivers say ye be you demonstration am aban ye free on ye nyina be da sum
de here
de da fu eso no trotro driver be no so ne kan a use electricity enye nipa ne boss aka ne to ho PDS na oni kro we mu enti PDS for aboka ya se trotro driver ko so kan e ontua 1 cedi asemo ye kan we ye enti ye be ka kai mo contaminated fuel afredo bin ana no so ahegu moving pina fuel enye nsuo de ebubu agutu am no kwa wono mu ase ebe mu baby ade to ane to yi na 5 million liters of fuel ayira wo Ghana ha bi si ne obi anhu hwe ni aka ya no atum ne yete ho the air time wo mu kra de say wo ka omo say the table will turn na tama wo de chikata moko jina emra no na table ne ntene ana mamu enna mo adwen mu say Se Ghana for best sa NDC a enye NPP eno de mo fanto NPP na de ayemo no yenyansa ne yo de ahye Ghana for tim afa mo ho nyina so nim se ye nokure no eno na egusu a ye ka ho asem kire Ghana for no Captain Aban oyaya de bi mebo enyo eye roto na ye jato horo kwesi abo akwata ama ya boka egu
dem so omo hihye ne
no captain
ebeba
ye hihye no Burkina fo hwe kwan a omo nam so enema omo hihye woni mi say trotro driver no tua 1 city from La Paz Kotema no in and out be no 10 city because ye kwa every day ye kwa 5 times into kwa 5 over 5 10 city a day. Far multiply by 300 days 65 in the free me say or the no year maintenance but only we sky share gukwa since you ja tool na there ya woman say you intimi identify say we Ghana for into ya muntria le mo foreigners in ntria we say ko do Mali Niger Burkina na ye tua ye ja de na to kwesi am akwata da so ne na nkro we mu bi anka na hwe ndia fe Timisra ban se ye pese mo che de Ghana for ka wo form no eno a ne ye ka ho asemu ye ko wo wanti asema na mo kan ozi so nti na ye wo obi obetimi abu agomu awese sei anya sa na mo ka kire o mo sha se to aba agomu awese ye ne nti ohene bie na no ka asem se anya ya timesra na na mo nso se ye to aba hwia ye wie de akonwa na hye ne nsa no mumye nyina ye mbusa ne bibi ma ye nkan anu ntumo ye mbusa ne bibi unim say constituency ni bebre ho a drip machine no omo de tu anwea e de show mbotom instead of some de bedwi kwan so ama eso ayekukwa ewo next month ewo zamunya saade na ye ba bebu constituency krodi drip me na me ka kire twa job yeah, my baby, young so and what will be my abandoned was you. I went to know with your gumbo to moon. I would charge over the 2 and we are assemblable. And until I'm a call man cavono. Walker said, Uncle Riche Puquanya was a fool anymore. But will be private a year, fool at Baba. But they are assemblable. Baby, I am for be quiet to me call, say, Lizzie. Yepe machine ye be to fu we say asay ba breaking day no e da omudi ho dwa no na ade e be chia ma unse omudi ho dwa de a omu nkwa adwuma ade e be chia ma omu adi dwa na efri buchi ba ejoba mpa ejoba ma ye se e be ma ban ya che ye nya ne se de ye hu ye nka ho asem ye be ka ama wasiesie Contract ya wo poku ase kwan eso mo fa nani mo nani na chi ekwan na eche emre o hye o mampanyin no atra marpoma Ghana for kasa so captain Ghana for kasa baby a wo de wa ye kura no o mie ho no ne emfa so anya sa na ye kwan anu wa lock no hawa omo nam sa kwan no so nam mu no anya asem ketwa na me kwadu minu amon so a mo hyehyɛ nkrofo achi ye mo minister we ja sa na ntwitwa no munyai na fa akoma patai wonu ya nachi o chi atene no se ne ye ka bi se ye ne se wa anya ne sa de na ye ko ka ho asem anya kokonsa ana meboa na mo bi so ye na ntwitwa pa epese ye ministers ni bi free o ya na ye share bo say ye ba minister say ni be yi na Ghana for bo mu nsem ba me bo a wo kwa bo nsem bi e ka say Akufo-Addo ministers ne doso e na o mampanyi di ne bo share so wo di aka ne say wo di adwenpa e beta na chi no wa ye adwuma na aban ne cha e na nso be nya ho bie Captain FF di kan isi ya
Captain senior mame mo ye kan sen Mame Lady Adonko, CID boss. Memo na baso. Memo IGP. Christian Teche Yono. Memo omo abaso. Ana police mpenimfo ni na omo take decision. So mbe make sure say prepare ebe koso. Memo omo nyina abaso anopen. Captain. Se yansi sade we anopan ya. Ebe dru baby no. Wo right na wo as journalist no. Wo be lusu. Da obi afafo no watrase no sha say di atema yes say we God is a journalist we blogger etino o kasa free speech
TikToker
I don't free va free hifa hwe mona moya mo agene say modie mo be di atem because of party no mo be dem so because of party mubedam hwe gali ya wose ode bawumiaba okodi atem ye beli no kati wonim se obi talk ama no wonim za
tabianu de
oh what they find out ni papro talk ama no nanu ya mo de no kokota police for kita du semo na no an nkrofo bloggers na wo mu twa no wa jinu hu ko bo
okay ya no de me hu yi ba ka no de my hwem
adin na me de ama no hwem very authentic e talk ama no ko diatem into odaka mu eti abeda na obi msun gongo diatem abaye ya wadi 49 years o so de e ka de say Rita Kunadu o hu ni video no sha president ne nere na wo hwa baya na wote ho na wo hwe ne ho edi bebi a wote pa na wo hwe nsemfin a wo kana look me say Ghana Police Service do as well last Martin Pebu no wote ye kan say TV3 Saturday issue no there big issues right key point good. No. Wait there. We na me war video bisomano. There's a new dream. Say, we repeat it. Say, soft will be say. Soft will be now. I say no, Captain. Let us put the thing in the right perspective. Ye ko buni dance ni dance water way. Ye ko buni dance na emu dede. Wasi wodo kra wosi na dwen. Wosi na river. I guess I'm going for Gracocino. No, what I said again near two. Then get up program, they don't pay there. And I'm a wakati. Not one chair and 32 now. Why? Will be a castle free near Jano. No, just like that.
We said in 32.
Say, get that repeat it. I don't think they did not put tomb. It's not true. Yeah, Jimmy Mubo video do come mamu boy, but I never fancy a bebo. And some yet of the allegations. Sakwalana Wodamuno was a President Mahama Ekum at a mess. Mami repeating a man for Chassis. And was a kum device. A yamisata. Now, when no grand was I device to go Kunuba. No bia cancer, fool say. Was it yenda free speech? Hey, Ghana, you're going. You're going. A serious allegation. Obi who obaku say we abudifo anamebwa na emradi na dia moti wo say free speech mama Lydia ya mishra wonyo kese won shawodin na ye wadwuma won say mama no wo ye very active wo na obeka say adwuma no gra nyo no na ye
very meticulous as well.
I said, don't know your human.
We are friend or bago or back. Judge who is the best.
On this about or
back. Just choose the best. That's all.
They say, well, you're my all-time favorite. All-time favorite. But you're born, Mabaso. Or Bunjiro Muhu. Director General say you or more Ghana Police Service nyina obi anyere no ho no omunye de ese so omoye da Ghana yentimi koye nim because how do we yentimi so you know what will happen
catch him
one day wuti hono say no be say oh that's ya be my grade ono odwuta achi na ya no odwutwa microphone no dey ya say free speech sa asem na waka no obi befro ya be taxi bi
real
wakato so wa wieo free wako ene captain beduko bi asori a agu eya baya bi a no odi na dimu asie ki kansam fa no ho ki kansam basa tati wutin sam ni bia wo ye church member obi ja asori ya chini nanu ya afi amanfo mo fanche no Ghana for suban the same girl agu fire oja asori fire oja asori ka ba kodi pa beye ne wo ho 5000 ni ade and o shi akokohwe all because of sa ensemhunu atro awo budi tu nkrofo so wuchi na obi wa koka say free speech in the constitution a guarantee free speech no emrada ho limit bi da ho o free speech no should be responsible what I say baby our freedom no end no
e ho no bi de chance
obi de chance wo ho etemra bia na me ka se Ghana
free speech interest control
Ghana ha obi a wo the freedom sa wo pese wo ton wo dia wo betuma ton ya be ma oni mi se de betuma ton no wo papa me ntra hasisi a ho na me make statement be serious statement be say enka mi pia metra mi ka mo akofia na enka mi die no na police fo gina ni mu hase ye mo mi straight says me freedom no samaton me ana me peda me yedan me ton ye eti aya bunja sanse muhunu no say moja mo say free speech is under attack free speech look aya na de ye mabufu eni abofno ne say NPP for na ye di na na do attempt ye di watem no akwakofa a police for mpedinfo a omo no omo ntimi mo ho ba ya eye obi na ba bebremu no captain it's your responsibility as a journalist here to protect the image of the sitting president. That doesn't mean say you cannot criticize him. Or ye duma na se go ya ubetima expose nu amabia efa no ho. But the integrity image you have to protect it. Because say what denting the image afa will you be proud? Say what took kwade bisa say ofiri here ubetima ka say ofiri Ghana na. It is why you said you want to atwam say nkofo de kufu ado atem ade anchi obi a ne nyina so kra ye tro ebi okra nya tem didie captain how many times in ye o and kufu ado
39 pe
of our so na 40
there be anu amma
say captain at 40
say dey na ye tro abana na omo plan say nka
ye be so
nya o be so ame
ana so beat you
na
yes I dey get ye 40
you beat you some coffee na me ho
baako 39 nipa baako pe ye che no 39 times within 8 years
2 years na se na me ni ha
2 years ade no ho ade de nga
wo kwa yie ni a chew wo asoro de me ya be chew
so de tie no hwe nkrofo a omo kasa fa kufu ado ho a ye chichi wo mo many who can say obi koda mu 4 years. The 4 years now, 2024 near no go 4 years. Samson ye. Ebi obi pie be next year na say end of this year.
So to branch organizer
for can say NDC. Omo so okoka dem po. Okoka say bi fa President Akufo-Addo. Ye jeli no, Godfred Odame e prosecute no. Am ya jeli no 4 years. What dan say om sisi aye ka say. Oh, here, Baba, my son, Cocoda, 2 weeks. What share and go for act? Now, Manasa, why you are not free groomer?
South Africa.
What are you free groomer? eti edi adi bebrebe hwe captain may war explosion me, but this year is not the correct time. Sansem hunu yo mudi me wasamba ko bi pa me de tudwa o munyina mko akose dem but me pese me de tudwa etimi nya effect etimi nkanene no munja sansem hunu na o mudi no wonim se ye ka sei chama wuntumi gina Accra High Court.
I'm saying the call.
Accra High Court.
Numerous forest to say.
I'm the reference I want prison and none of paying at the number Accra High Court. Now, the case is in the air. So, I'm prosecuting party or cases versus 6.
Which my bro 500 years.
Versus 6. I'm prosecuting. And I'm be so okay. Say numerous forest is here, finding no guilty. Say, first one idea. Yes, and then you're no ankasa de two galam say no. Nemo, what in the right amount will be a would you quite say or the man? I don't I didn't go 20 years ago. Numeri forest the idea. Who shall the number the casino, SCO, a conta mine, or one cassa or was a national security boy CB, amateur say in Central for call ye boom. Aye, Unia as I don't go so a bro. Yeah, boom. Eti no say no. I just say we are involved no. Ebe kwese. Ada so mo dis asem ni we na so mo ka so mo ma judgment a. Wo mo be ka say and start after expiration of this one.
And running concurrent.
So the judge in the demand here, we shall get 40 years.
Different
20 years.
Courts,
20 years.
Charges.
I know say and running pepe. Eti or running way 20 or running way 20. Eti yes enko pepe nti no. O ta 20 years ni wi awie. Say wan ka ne say enko concurrent dia. Na just enka no ye 40 years. So ne de no. Now, say we eba dey ka say okay, we so adifo. Ya more 25 years. The boom a better key effect from the day sa 20 years we no ebewu a. Let us ask them Kesiaba. Ask them Kesia Abba.
All right.
Now, this is the beginning.
We are just here.
We are beginning. NPP for a beko jail no. NPP for a beko jail. Kante, one say maybe ahaya na meka che say. Na what I say, we patience asa on this prosecution. Adam si nyabotre. My little briefing about what is going to happen and the strategy, no. What is you can say? Fire service for two a good job. No one casa or Bukusanete. NPP for a report wouldn't say be negotiating. Our Muko Yoko Anajo. One person among for Bukus or more. Omo be a night anajo. Any other
so
you have no idea. Sir, you have no idea.
A vice presidential candidate to be graduate so kwanajo. Me move you.
Sabreya court akase won to me anasa konta mine. I involve in illegality no. Ye beti mache Akufo-Addo. Emrani beti mache Akufo-Addo ana.
Sir, obeti we subpoena no.
Enye subpoena. Ebra abujinapo ono ani minister beka say akontama ne won to me engage in illegality. What did insist to do what they were doing, you know. President Akufo-Addo say Ghana Bar Association say carry Bishop Conference, one of them.
Carry Bishop Conference.
I'm not sorry. What can you say? Mr. President, before I sit down, let me touch on this issue. I want to state that Akonta mining is not. What emphasize here is not involved in any illegality. Hey, President, who minister or no share wechi or share BBR report to a man say I didn't illegal was in da. And the court say illegal. Say bet ma kwachino. Party. I just a friend
no
I didn't
because of it we catch us as the president. He thrives on national security.
Oh, minister now or no more information about that particular
minister.
No. National security will not have the in-depth information more than.
Catch us a national security architecture. Uncle say coordinator, no coordinator, no. Or say the architecture and the man information.
Yo, yeah, Paulo. Madika said, Captain, ye baby free banty. 24 yanu ye tiena wani kuta ye kura. Me mame ye vida inketia. Ye Rajon says inketia ye. O kasembi chene say yaw. First bi na bi mu kasa for mu di ya nyene ene de o kasa no mo atwa e de ato eye afidie so ti da bi ye be san abo akere ti o kasa no wa hwe ne yi mate na me say mate captain ma me kan say me ye president ya nko wura Dr. Mahmoud bo me anka me de nigina court e fa bui Palugu dam no $20 million na wa say ne nsa no adwuma wa ye mbajo dam no Sedam bia ni ho. Omampanyi na nado kamede ne kwa akogina court Ghana fo nyina be boye nsem maye. Efa cathedral no o cement no koje.
Meje anyi ye
me oh, ukona ukoje a.
Me kwaje hwan ho.
Na ye do so akoma no.
Da bi asofo na je ye.
Na ye kuzi waje na je ye. I don't know.
Asofo na je. What am I fancy?
Captain.
Da bi wo cement ne kwaje.
Me really say.
Me say kwaje cement no.
On say agro for.
Dem ye ka wani mo.
Ye ka wa say.
Tie.
Omo mo pa e bi.
Captain.
Ye kwaje no ye wuntumi lawyer no. Osto on tese Ghana for mo so na mo boni ti so se wan ko defend wuntumi. E wo court me ye bua no 20 years. O se ye nka kire mo say na ne ba ye graduation e so won fa so che wuntumi court obedi na chiako. Ya pon.
Anka wa say je duma.